Hello and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again, and today I have a challenge lock. I have a lock here from my good friend and brother-in-arms, Mr. Bronx Lockpicker 60. And he pinned this one here just before Christmas of last year, and he calls it Topside. So we're going to see if we can get into it, and it's a Euro cylinder with a Yale style keyway and some pretty nasty up down bitting. We're gonna see if we can get in it with top of the keyway tension. I've got this little bitty tensioner here. Let's get into the lock first, huh? Aha, there's the lock, right? Okay, so we're gonna try and tension it like that, but I'm gonna throw this one in the bottom to take that dead space, and I think I'm gonna use medium hook from the Praxis set. This also lets me control the lock both directions. I'm gonna go clockwise with it though. Let's see if we can get it. A lot of crunching, that's for sure. Hard to even tell what's doing what, because everything just crunches. That was an overset's what the hell that was. There we go. Five and 4 feel set, but I'm not positive. There we go, 3. I'm blocking it here, aren't I? Shit, sorry. I move my thumb out of the way completely, unless I need to actually counter rotate it. That one dropped some. Let's see if we can get them back. 5 back there feels springy. There's 4. 5 feels set. 4 feels set. 3 is that real high cut. And there we go. That was a crunchy sucker, man. I tell you what. Let's move these other picks out of the way. I'm going to show you what I went through a while ago, figuring out which pick I needed. Yeah. Alright, we'll just set those out of the way. Take this out of the vise. Set it down there. Tray. Sorry about all that. There's the tray. Okay, it's one of the cars. Let's get this little doodad. Okay. clips off. Grab us a little follower here. Line this up about the way we want it. I think we should throw a shim in it. Oh, well, I've got a shim right here, don't I? Yep. Cool. Eesh, almost pushed it on out without anything. Let's go ahead and see if I can work around this thing better. Okay, that worked out okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got threading in every cylinder, and it's got a nice chamfer on top as well. Let's dump them out and see what we got. Beautiful little pin there. Great machine work on these, but I wouldn't expect anything less than great from BLP. Every single one, man, has some serious work done to them. Awesome, awesome. Let's see what he's done up top side. No wonder that thing was quite a picky little pick. Let's see what we got up here, huh? That's a sharp point. Let's zoom into that. Look at that. That's a tip point coming forward. So that's what's coming out first. And some beautiful work behind it. Good night. Those are some tight cuts. Steel spring. Another taut point. Oh, I know why that one don't want to come out. It's got a shim stuck up its butt. Okay, now I bet you it comes out. Pretty little spool. Well, howdy, those some pretty ones. Sorry about that. Number 3. And it flies out. Beautiful work. And a copper spring. Around this side. There's number 5. A sharp cut coming out first. Like that. These are some seriously machined pins, man. Awesome job. Last but not least, awesome. I know I need to work on my gutting skills. I've got it zoomed in and I shouldn't have. Did when I shouldn't and shouldn't when I did. All that other shit. There, sorry. Okay, let's see what he's done up top. Doesn't look like he got to that. Alright. So, then let's zoom in on this art. Look at those things, man. Aren't they gorgeous? And this is how they came out. So, there's your shear line. And all of the nastiness that goes along with it. Gorgeous work, man. That is work of an artist. For sure. Alright, I'll sign off there without letting it get too long. Thank you, BLP, for pinning this up. You did an awesome job. I appreciate the opportunity to get to pick it. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. And as always, until we meet again, Peace.